Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. FEB MAT 2024 exam dates was released by AIMA, and now in this video we are going to look after the test dates for the upcoming FEB MAT 2024. Your first PBT paper-based test falls on 25th February and the registration ends on 20th February. You can download your admit card for PBT from 22nd February. And CBT, computer-based test, the test date is on 10th March. So you have nearly 70 days of time to take your CBT test, and the registration ends on 5th March. You can download your admit card from 8th March. The first IBT is on 24th February. The registration ends on 21st February. You can download your admit card from 22nd Feb. And your second IBT is on 3rd March. The registration ends on 29th February. You can download your admit card from 1st March. The last and the final IBT is on 8th March. The registration ends on 5th March. You can download your admit card from 6th March. So those who are going to begin your preparation, you can book 3rd IBT or the last CBT. Admissions are open for online crash course for FEB as well as May MAT 2024. If you want to enroll, you can contact 8870046080 and also can visit learntolead.in. All the best, students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.